Concat or concatenate. This is the name of a single function. Formerly, we called it as concatenate, and now this is called concat. This is a function where we use it to combine data in multiple cells. This is data, and I want to apply or use the concat function in this data. First of all, you have to write the equal sign and then write C-O-N-C. Now you have two options, concat or concatenate. As I told you that concatenate is a obsolete or former version of concat. So we will use concat and press tab T. Now I would insert the cell number, the data from where I want to add or I want to combine with data from other cells. Now I want to insert the data in this cell, and then I will put comma and again would select the cell from where I want to add the data. I want to add sharpener, and then I will write comma, put comma, and then the third cell, let me select paperboard cell. This is C7, and then close the bracket for the formula. So here we got the data from multiple cells and combined like pencil, then sharpener, then paper board, pencil, sharpener, and then paper board. If you want to have a comma between the two words or maybe any kind of data you have from your cells, then you have to put the comma through double commas like this, double comma and then single comma, and then close with double quotes, double comma, or you may call it double quote. And then after C4, I want to add another comma. I will write, put start double quote and then comma and then close with double quote, and then I will press enter. I'm sorry, I am getting some kind of error here. You have to write comma after each and every kind of content you want to add in this cell. So C3 comma, then double quote with single comma, and then comma, and then C4, and then comma, and then single comma, and then I will write again a single comma here because there is next cell I want to bring the data from, and then I will press the enter key, and then this is how we insert comma between two words or between the data that we brought from these cells and combined here in a single cell through concat function. My friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please press the like key and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video tutorials.